From primitive to modern society, from handicraft to machine industry, from machine substitution to grain production, every leap in production process is injected with technology. Technology has become the driving force for industrial transformation. From establishment to successful listing, iECHO has always adhered to the business philosophy of high-quality service as the purpose and customer demand as the guide. With rich experience and leading technology, iECHO provides intelligent cutting solutions for the enterprises of different scales. The business scope covers more than 100 countries and regions, covered with composites, signs, automotive, furniture, apparel, office automation, and many other industries. The service network covers more than 30 provinces and regions. iECHO always provides comprehensive sales channels and service mechanisms to help customers realize automation and intelligence. iECHO is committed to the development and innovation of intelligent cutting technology. A team of more than 100 R&D engineers has made breakthroughs in multiple fields and received multiple patents and honors. iECHO has core technologies such as precision motion control, CAD, CAM, machine vision, bus development, and cloud services, which through the pre-cutting, cutting, and front-edge development. The motion control technology can reach the level of hundreds of nanometer, and the signal transmission cycle is as short as 100 microsecond, which realizes fast, accurate, and 6-axis motion control of the equipment. Based on customers' needs, iECHO developed automatic tool changer, knife initialization, and super large format cutting technologies, helping customers reduce production cost and increase productivity. iECHO has a large number of CAD, CAM technologies, such as cutting process algorithm database and material database. Developed vision cutting, CCD contour cutting, and automatic extraction of cutting trajectories. Significantly improve the intelligence level of the equipment. The bus development technology can realize equipment networking, collaboration between devices, and even build the entire production line to meet multi-level product needs. Relying on deep technical precipitation in cloud services, iECHO developed public service platform and remote monitoring technology to solve production problems in real time and evaluate equipment status. iECHO always uses customized cutting solution to serve the deep needs of customers. Over 60,000 square meters of manufacturing base, creating an internationally smart factory through MES platform. iECHO has established multiple management systems such as order tracking management, stock production management, and wiring parts management. Achieved seamless connection between upper and lower links, integrated data analysis, and scientific management. iECHO has created a high-quality management and control system. Created a zero-error screening mechanism to provide strong support for the final quality. In future, with the further integration of cloud technology, AI, and intelligent cutting technology, iECHO's new products with complete technology and better performance will be within reach. iECHO is determined to leave a shining footnote for the future of Chinese manufacturing and let the intelligent cutting industry move towards a new era.